1, 2, 3, go!
Rise and shine! Hi! Welcome back to my channel!
Welcome back to my vlog!
Magka-camping na naman kami, pero social na kami. Tinan mo, malug-alug kami, oh. See, ang daming space! Nakaban kami today.
These 3 words, they can change the lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. Naghahangad ay isang katulad mo. Hindi ko na kailangan. Yes! Umalis ka na sa aking harapan. Damdamin ko sa'yo ngayon ay naglaho na. Ayaw ko nang malamin. Malamin!
Magkakatagpo din tayo ay.
Nagkamadali si ate. Para na matapos na. Para matapos na yung ano nila. Yung number nila.
Mamaya para na yung driver, papababain tayo.
That's when make you right. There's nothing left to try. Though it's not
Ilang kung na tayo lahat ba?
sa utak ko, tama naman yung tono.
Is everybody awake?
Yes!
Okay guys, so we are here in LA. ETA to our destination is 45 minutes. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the aperture. Clothing, unadulterated loathing for your face, your clothing. Let's just say I love it all. There's a little truth, however.
Bumubulong ka lang eh.
About a few minutes, we're about to disembark.
Welcome to Jebel Hafid Desert Park. Welcome to Jebel Hafid. Yan na po ang level up naming sasakyan. Naka-van na kami. Ayan, naka-set up na kami pero wala kaming pang bonfire. Ganda sana ng view. Malapit sa bundok. So, maglilipat kami. Magbabayanihan kami. Kasi na-set up na namin yung tent namin. So, lilipat kami over there. Dun sa may puno daw. So, good luck! Ay, may bag! Yung bag, tanggalin. Wait! Wait! Teka, nagbabayanihan na kami. Wait!
Kaya lang, di tayo pwede maingay.
Pag yan nahila mo, wala na tayong ilaw.
Teka lang.
Dito ka kasi audience sa likod namin. Yan.
Ano ba yan? Ang bilis yung magdamag.
Anong gusto mo?
Maikli lang ako.
Ang bilis nila eh. Hindi ko kita yung daan.
At diba? Dahil ako yung nagdo-document, so hindi ako nagbubuhat. Yan. Ah, di ba? Saya. Okay lang kayo, guys. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, vlogger.
Asa na si ate? Ate, kaya ba?
Go. Saan tayo?
Second house. Lipat bahay. Okay, hot pot in the making. Syempre, tubig pa lang. Dapat. And first meal sa camp. Empanada. Thank you. Yay. Let's eat. Yay, we are complete. Nandito na lahat. And here's the baboy. Coaching from Master Chef. Ah. Patingin nga nung binabrush. Ay, ay, ang itim.
Ay, pinabayaan niyo ako eh. Bahala kayo kumain ng sunog.
Ika, alam mo, meant to be ka talaga sa maitim eh.
Ayop.
Rise and shine!
Forwards.
English.
Hunchback of Notre Dame.
Alam mo, sasabihin ko, Hunchback of Notre Dame.
Five words. Second word.
Sky.
God.
That must be crazy. Fifth word.
Ring.
Lord of
Lord of the Rings.
Two words. Second word.
Six.
Bless.
God.
Seconds.
Pray God.
8.
Okay, sige, steal. Fine.
Godfather.
Oh, yun.
Galing.
Galing. Dapat.
The Godfather.
Wala.
English.
Two words. First word.
Sky.
Stars.
Star.
Stars.
Star is born.
Stars. Stars.
Skyfall. Star.
Starlight. Stardust.
Second word.
Star Wars.
First word. Man. Third word.
Grabe, action ang dami. Ay, nagbawal magawa. Bawal gumamit ng props. Basta yung props, hindi pwede.
Pwede, tatlong kami. One word. Five fingers.
Little.
Pinky.
Tall. Ano yan? Ano na yan?
20 seconds.
Alam na ni Lotte!
Archer. Ano?
Divergent.
Avenger.
Go.
Wrong.
Ano? Avatar! Ay, abala. Akala ko Avengers. Visit.
One word.
Frozen.
One word.
3 syllable. One word nga lang.
So,
Phantom? Oh, shit.
Di na lang ako nag-lock para di nila maulaan.
Very good.
One word.
Ghostbuster.
Oh, dami kumanan ka.
Sounds like history.
Charot. Ay, Why? Basta ka lang sa akin.
Gladiator.
Kasi yung mga ganun na.
3 words.
Third word.
Ay, apa.
Crown. Ay, shit. Ano na yun?
Lion King!
The Lion King!
First word yan or second word?
Finding Nemo!
Start now.
One word.
Barbie!
Second word. Teacher.
Toy Story.
Ay!
Toy
Ang dami mo pwedeng gawin! Kaya nga!
One word.
Kaya!
Moana.
Brave!
Tagalog. 3 words.
First word.
First word. Sing-sing.
Kasal.
Kasal!
2 words. English.
Michael Jackson!
1 word. English. Driver.
Herbie.
Cars.
Race.
Cat. Cheese. Pizza.
Ay, gorilla.
Taco.
Cat. Taco.
Wala.
Cheese.
Pizza. Pizza.
Saka lahati na to.
Taco. Cat.
Pizza.
Sabi ko na lang. Ayoko na tayo. Talo naman ako. Sa budok.
Master Chef for today. Tapos na kami and akit kami sa Jebel Hafid. We're ready to go! Picture muna. Hello, LA! are now here at Rose Cafe. Ang bilis. Naano yung cup ko.